Hi, my name is Carly and I'm from MSP360. I'm here to talk to you today about the 321 backup strategy in the cloud. Let's talk about the 321 backup rule now. The 321 backup rule is a part of every solid backup strategy and refers to having at least 3 copies of your data stored on 2 different storage media locations, one of which should be stored off-site. Production data, files you currently work with. On-site backup, backup stored locally. Off-site backup, backup stored in either the cloud or another location. This backup strategy minimizes the chances of lost data. Now, let's talk about the cloud as a backup destination. The cloud meets the main characteristics of solid storage data these days. It's safe, it's flexible, and it's affordable. Why is the cloud safe? First, servers are usually located in warehouses that people don't typically have access to. Secondly, accounts are protected by robust identity and access management systems. Lastly, the files stored on cloud servers are encrypted. The cloud also provides flexibility. It gives you a wide range of different storage options and pricing grids that adapt to meet your requirements, so you can choose solutions that fit your needs and budget. Finally, because of competition between storage vendors, cloud storage prices have gone down dramatically. So now with providers like B2 and Wasabi, it has never been more affordable to store your data in the cloud. With MSP360 Managed Backup for Business, ensuring the safety and reliability of that data has never been easier or more cost-effective. Click the link in the description to learn more. Have a great day and thanks for watching.